Good evening, everyone. My name is Saniti. My register number is URK24AI1777. So today I'll be explaining object-oriented programming lab experiment number 2, arrays and arrays of object. So our aim is to understand and implement the concepts of classes and objects in Java by creating user-defined classes, initiating object instances, and demonstrating data encapsulation and method usage. So classes, a class in Java is a blueprint for creating object that defines properties and behaviors. For syntax for classes, class name. This is the example. We have declared a class and we have declared a variable and we have created a method and we have printed it. And this is the syntax for class. And an object is so what is an object? So an object is an instance of a class. It is created using the new keyword and allows access to class members. So this is the syntax for it. In the class name check is equal to new class name. So this is the example for it. So first we have to give a class and give the variable that we need to create out of it and is equal to new and give our class. So this is the syntax for class object creation in a class. So other is access modifiers. Public members declared as public are accessible from any other class. So the syntax is this is the example like we have declared a class using the keyword public, so it is accessible from like any other classes. Then private members are accessible only within the same class and not from the other classes. So syntax are so this is the demo, like we have declared a variable using private keyword, so it cannot be accessed from any other class. Now default, so if no modifier is specified, it's a default and accessible only within the same package. So the example for default is we've created a class, we have not given private public, so it's default. Sixth one is protected. Protected members are accessible within the same package and by subclass, even in different packages via inheritance. So yeah, this is the example for it. Yeah, we created a variable using protected keyword. Okay. Now let's go to code. Alright. Okay, so the question is time class basic operations design a class name time with three integers, instance variables, hours, minutes, and seconds, include a default constructor and initialize all the values to zero and parameterized constructor to set specific values, implement a method, display time, and display the time in HMS format, include a method, add time, and add two time objects and stores the result in the current object handling or the overflow in seconds and minutes properly. So let's go to the implementation. So this is our code. We've created a class called public class called distance. Then we have created two variables, private variables, feet and inches. We created another um, a method called distance. So it has feet and inches. So we have also constructed another method called distance. Yeah, we have given the features feet and inches over here, and we have given it. So we have created another other method called get feet to get the feet. Created another method called set feet to to get the feet, and next method is get inches to return the inches. So like set inches like in order to give pass out the values. So next we have created a void method called normalize. In that we have given the necessary operations that needs to be done. And lastly, yeah, we've given the distance and add the distance. Like we have created two distance method over here. So we just give it together and yeah, we return the new distance of value, giving the total feet and total inches. Then this is public string to string, so that we to add in order to add feet and inches. Yeah, here we have created the objects and we've given the value, and this value will be passed out to the corresponding methods it needs to be passed out. So we'll run it. Yeah, this is the output. Okay, we've got a distance 2 and the sum of the distance. Thank you.